there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we make your purchasing decisions easier, funnier, and sometimes a bit controversial. Today, we've got a battle of the titans for you. The Apple iPhone 12 Pro on my left and the Samsung Galaxy S22 on my right. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's start with the thing that hits us all where it hurts the most, our wallets. The iPhone 12 Pro is priced at $521. You could either buy this phone or a lifetime supply of ramen noodles. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S22 is priced at $379. With that extra cash, you could buy a nice dinner, or maybe even a pet goldfish to keep you company while you stare at your new phone. Okay, onto the screens. The iPhone 12 Pro has a stunning Super Retina XDR display. It's so sharp you could probably use it to slice a tomato. But wait, the Samsung Galaxy S22 comes in hot, with a dynamic AMOLED 2X display, 120Hz, HDR10+, and Corning Gorilla Glass. It's like having a mini IMAX theater in your pocket. Just be careful not to drop it, or you might cry more than you would at a sad movie. Now, let's talk about cameras. The iPhone 12 Pro has a triple camera system that's so good, it'll make your selfies look like they were taken by a professional photographer. Vogue, here I come. And then we have the Samsung Galaxy S22 with its 50 megapixels camera. This thing is so advanced, it could probably take a picture of a black hole. Eat your heart out, NASA! Battery life is crucial. The iPhone 12 Pro guarantees a minimum battery capacity of 80%. That's like saying, we guarantee this car has at least 3 wheels. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S22 doesn't specify a minimum, but comes with a fast-charging feature. So even if it dies faster, you can revive it quicker than a zombie in a horror movie. The iPhone 12 Pro is inspected and guaranteed to have minimal cosmetic damage. It's like buying a pre-owned luxury car. Sure, it's not new, but it still turns heads. The Samsung Galaxy S22, on the other hand, is built like a tank with its Gorilla Glass. You could probably use it as a shield in a medieval battle. Just saying. Both phones have their pros and cons according to online reviews. Reviewers appreciate the iPhone 12 Pro for its excellent condition even when bought used, though some have noted issues like lower battery capacity. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S22 is praised for its high-end performance and camera capabilities, but has had some issues with connectivity and accessories. So there you have it, folks. The iPhone 12 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy S22. It's like comparing apples to, well, galaxies. Both have their pros and cons, but the ultimate choice is up to you. Are you Team Apple or Team Samsung? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep buying smart and stay awesome. Product links are in the description.